want you to get into a comfortable chair, kind of nestle back into it, and I'd like you to follow along as you take nice deep breaths. Bend your index fingers like that, and let's place them on the side of our neck. Now, what I'm doing is I'm applying pressure. You can feel this tightness in here, right? Well, I've got my thumb on one side, I've got my bent index finger on the other side, and I'm slowly pinching like this. Okay, we're doing that on both sides. That's called bilateral. So now you've got a view of pinching into the neck. Continue to take deep breaths as you pinch in slowly. Go to the base of the neck, as I'm doing now. And then climb up, just come upward to where the neck joins the occipital ridge, the base of the skull, and pinch in there. Are you ready? We're going to do a double pinch. One hand like this, the other hand over it, and squeeze in. This feels good. No wonder we do this. It just feels good. And if you breathe into it, it releases stress and tension. I'm squeezing a little bit into the base of my skull with the heel of my hands here. And now I'm going to do a double pinch. So get the bent index finger and the thumb, and it's going to be like this, but behind your neck. Now let's improvise and do just one side, the most comfortable side for pinching. The other, do the full hand. And this gets it a little differently. What is it? The muscles, the points. This is acupressure massage, self-acupressure massage at its finest. So take a deep breath, and I'm going to show you the fist rock. Here's the fist. We're going to take the flat part of our fist, place it against the side of our neck where it's really tight, and we're going to go like this in super slow motion. The slower you do it, you know, on television sometimes you see the football game and they put it in super slow motion and the football is coming very, very slow. Or maybe your football is on the ground and they show you something and it's in super slow motion. Well, imagine this is going in super slow motion in here. Why do I emphasize that? Because your neck muscles need to yield, and they don't yield if you just jam them, which is, you know, you're like, that's what most people do, is do that. I want you to go 9 times slower. Slow down. This is what it looks like. Taking deep breaths. Now look, I'm digging down lower, and then I'm pivoting on my wrist, and I'm applying pressure inward, fist toward fist. It doesn't take much. It's very powerful. You're doing great. So another couple of deep breaths, doing this motion. Now we're going to do the same thing, but I want you to just lean. As you do this, I want you to lean to one side. Inhale, and then come to the other side as you exhale. Inhale. Now what you couldn't probably see me, but I was here and then I did this and then I went a little bit further back or a little bit further front. And this is something that your body is going to just take over and do. Now once you do from side to side, let's do it one more time from side to side. As you do this, slow motion. This is very powerful to counteract the chronic tension that accumulates in your neck. And after this, please deeply relax on your back for at least 5 minutes or even 10 minutes. If you take a nap after this, it'll probably heal you on a deeper level that you can imagine. So we're going from one side to the other side. Okay, now here's the variation. As you continue to do this motion, instead of going like this, now we're going to continue doing this. Go ahead, do it with me. But this time we're going to turn our head. And that's going to twist the muscles as you do this. This is very powerful body work that you're giving yourself. So, slow motion with the turn and slow motion with the application of the pressure. So here we go. I'm going to slowly turn to my left. Stay there for just a couple of these. And then I'm going to turn to my right. It doesn't matter if you start with your left or your right. What matters is that you're going slower. And I've been doing this for years and years and years, and I continually have to tell myself to slow down. Slow down. Take deep breaths. That's the two things I have to remind myself all the time. I'm turning my head. As I do, I call it a scooping or a pivoting with my flat part of my hand. And certainly some of the knuckles get involved, and if you like deep pressure, use those knuckles. This is like given to you in your life. Use what you have. These are your tools.